insert two arithmetic mean between 1 and what? 3. Insert two arithmetic mean between 1 and 3. So what will you do? 1 Abi, S, Y, and what? 3. First term is what? Last term is what? N is what? We are looking for what? So last term is equal to A plus M minus this D, right? What is L? First is what? Plus 3. 4 minus 1 is what? 3D, right? Can this one cross over? 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 3D. Here is 2 equal to 3D. Abi, divide both side by what? 3. Can this cancel this? D is equal to 2 over what? 3. Now, how can we get X? 1 plus 2 over 3. Abi, what will you get? Say it again. 5 over 3, right? How will you get Y? 5 over 3 plus what? 2 over 3, right? LCM is 3, right? So 5 plus 2 is what? 7. So we now have that the numbers are 1, 5 over 3, 7 over 3, and what? 3. So, watch you. Do you know that the progression of this particular number is 3 over 3? Are you with me? Look at it here. 3 over 3 is 1. Abi? Abi? Here is what? Say 5 over 3. Eh? Here is what? Say 7 over 3. Here is what? 9 over what? Who can tell me the next number? It will be 11 over 3. Next is what? 13 over what? I hope it's clear. Geometric progression is the progression of numbers with common ratio. Progression of numbers with common ratio. Geometric progression is the progression of numbers with common ratio. With what? Common ratio. All right? So, for example, this is first term, Abi. If this is first term, who can tell me, when we have common ratio, what should be ringing in your mind? The next term should be what? Multiply the first term with the common ratio, right? Ratio means multiplication. AR, do you see it now? Multiply the first term with the common ratio. So you get AR. Who can tell me the next term here? Talk to me. AR what? Very, very correct. Can you tell me the next one? AR what? Or yeah, can we go to the left? This is A, right? What will you do to A to get the next term here? We multiply by R here. What will you do to this place? Say it again. So A divided by what? Can you tell me the next thing here? A over R squared. Are you with me now? Can you go back again? You have A over what? R cubed. Can you move forward? A, dot, dot, dot. Here is what? Nth term is what? A arrow n minus 1. That is the last term. A arrow n minus 1 is the last term. Equation what? 1. And this is the same thing as nth term. A arrow n minus 1 is the same thing as nth term. The product of 3 unequal consecutive terms of a real GP is what? 8. If the difference between the two extreme terms is 5 over 6 times the middle term, obtain the three terms. Obtain the three what? Terms. All right. I want to show you a secret. If they say obtain like a kind of this kind of question, how they solve it sharp sharp is like this. If they say 5 consecutive terms or 3 consecutive terms or 7 consecutive terms, there must be that question must be an odd number. Add one odd number for you to use this method. For you to use this what? Method. Watch. It must be an odd number. Why? You must always have the first term here, right? Say this is the first term. First term to the right, first term to the left. This is a technique you can use to solve any question like this. If you pay attention, you get it easily. The same thing is applicable to AP. For AP, you have first term to the right and first term to the left. Can you tell me the second term now to the right? For AP is A plus what? AP, Abi. One term to the second term to the left is what? Confirm. A minus what? Do you understand? For arithmetic progression, as long as they say 3 consecutive terms, they say the sum of 3 consecutive terms is something. You must use this if the progression is arithmetic. Now, do you know why? If you sum this, this one must cancel this one. You'll be left with A. They will now use it to find only what? A. Now, back to GP. We say that this is A, right? Second term is what? To the right. Say AR. Oh yeah, second term to the left. Say it again. Now, this R will cancel out if they say if the product of these 3 consecutive terms is given as so and so. Are you getting it now? By multiplying this, say this, you cancel this. You easily find A what? A. So we are going to learn this. It's very, very important. After solving this question, I'm going to bring another question that we are going to solve, applying this. Is that clear? Do you understand this one first? Do you understand this one? Where I said this is first term, comma, A plus D, Abi, and here is A minus what? Next one is A minus 2. Here is A plus 2. Do you know that if you sum all these 5 terms now, minus 2D will cancel minus plus 2D, Abi? D will cancel the Abi. The only thing you have left is 5A. This is a technique that you must learn. Now, if you have A, remember, for geometric progression is multiplication. Abi, here they will ask you the sum of 5 terms. Addition because of what? Arithmetic progression. Then geometric progression must be multiplication. I watch the question. The product, the what? The what? You can now apply times for them. Are you getting it now? 3 consecutive, you have 1, 2, and what? 3. Should I go ahead? Now, for arithmetic progression, the sum. For geometric progression, the what? Product. The moment you see the sum of, you know that is arithmetic work, progression. 3 consecutive terms. We are talking about this. The product of 3 consecutive terms. We are talking about GP. Is that one clear? Now is equal to what? The product of 3 consecutive terms of a real GP is equal to 8. Is equal to what? That means R must cancel what? R. What is left? A times what? Equal to A raised to the power what? Which is equal to what? And base number of 8 is 2, right? Raised to the power what? Can this cancel this? A is equal to what? 2. Do you understand? So from this point now, you continue reading. You continue what? If the difference between the two extreme, one and what? Two. A over R minus AR. Abi, the two extreme. If the difference between the two extreme terms is what? Is equal to 5 over 6 times the middle what? Term. What's the middle term? A. Obtain the three terms. But thank God, I have already know what A is. And because I have known A, my next target is to know what R is. Abi, once I know my R, I'm good to go. So what is A? Say it again. Can I write 2 here? All over what? Minus what? 2R, Abi, equal to what? 2 times 5 is what? 10 over what? Is it making sense now? Multiply both sides by the LCM. So what is the LCM? Say 6R. Eh? 6 times R is 6R, right? Okay, let's go there now. 6R multiplied by 2 over R. Abi, minus what? 6R multiplied by what? 2R. Equal to what? 6R multiplied by what? 10 over 6. Abi, can this cancel this? Can this cancel this? 6 times 2 is what? Can I write 12 here? Minus 6R times 2R. What will you get? Minus 12 R squared. Abi, equal to 10 times R is what? 10R. Abi, what can reduce these numbers? Divide everything by what? Is it 2 alone? Or yeah, 2 divided by this, 2 divided by this, 2 divided by this. What will you get? So here will be 6 Abi, here will be 6 Abi, and here will be what? 5. So we now have this minus 6R squared can cross over, right? To meet this 5R. And this plus 6 can cross over again. And it becomes minus, Abi. So this minus 6 will become plus. And plus 6 will become what? Minus. Can I cross over? No, all of them will go to that side. We are collecting, but minus 6R squared will cross. Everything will cross. So we now have plus 6R squared, Abi. Plus what? 6R squared, minus plus 5R minus 6 equal to what? 0. So use the calculator, mod 5, 3. Once you are able to get your R, you are good to go. Mod 5, 3. Then press mod 5, 3. R is what? 2 over 3 and what? Minus 3 over what? 2. Good. We have to select, either you select positive values or negative values. Are you getting it? Which one are we going with? Positive, correct. So the 3 terms now are, A is what? A is what? Share 2 bar all over. R is what? 2 over 3 bar. Good, comma, 2. All right. AR is what? 2 times 2 over 3, Abi. Can we finalize? This one now, 2 over 3. This 3 will come up, Abi. See it here. 2 times 3 over 2. Abi, change this division to what? Times. The down will come up. Up will go down. So that means this can cancel this now. Abi, when it cancels, what happens? 3, right? So this one can be reduced to 3, right? So we now say 3 comma what? 2 comma what? Share 4 over 3. These are the consecutive numbers. These are the 3 terms. Obtain the 3 terms. 3 comma 2 comma 4 over 3. Uh-huh. And the sixth term is what? 64. Find what? The first term and the common ratio. Solution. The fourth term of a GP is 16 and the sixth term is 64. Find the first term and the common ratio. Don't always rush to solve this. It's a very simple thing. Do you know that the nth term of a GP is an equal to what? ARN minus 1. Do you remember this? That the fourth term, which is A4, Abi, is equal to what? What is A? Do we know A? Do we know R? 4 minus 1. Are you following? And is equal to what? 16. And the sixth term, AR5, Abi, is equal to what? 64. But wait, what did you do? Please pay attention. What you do now is divide equation 2 by equation 1. AR5 divided by what? AR3. Is it making sense? 64 divided by what? 16. Can this cancel this? Can we apply indices here? Division is what? So that R5 minus 3, am I correct? Is equal to 16 divided by 64 divided by 16 is what? Share 4. 5 minus 3 is what? So R squared is equal to 4. Am I making sense? If R squared is equal to 4, remember, R squared is equal to 2 squared, Abi? Can this cancel this? R is equal to what? Is that my final solution? What are we looking for? First term and common ratio. Oh, we have got to common ratio, right? To get the first term, pick any of the what? Equation. Let's pick equation 1. A 2 raised to power 3, Abi, is equal to what? 16. 2 raised to power 3 is what? So 8A is equal to what? Divide both sides by what? 8. Can this cancel this? 16 divided by 8. Share 2. That means A is equal to what? R is equal to what? Do you understand? After getting that, generate the geometric progression for the first 5 terms. Generate a GP for the first 5 terms. Oh yeah, fast. First term is what? 2, Abi? 2 times 2. 4 times 2. Uh-huh. 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 Share 32. Uh-huh. And so on and so forth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the answer. If they ask you to generate a GP for the first 5 terms.